Hey DJ,
Hi Rakesh. So Rakesh, how about your yoga practice?
it is quite better DJ.
Then how do you practice nowadays?
Well, we have now online classes. Our yoga teacher teaches us daily a new yoga.
Oh, that's fine. Yoga is very important for the mental and physical development.
Yes DJ, it is.
And what about your practice of dances?
Yes, that is also good. I have been practicing well.
So do you want to learn new dance today?
Yes DJ, I am eager to know about the new tense.
Okay, then today we will learn past perfect tense.
Okay DJ,
See Rakesh, the past perfect tense is used to express an action that was completed in the past before any other action started.
DJ, please give me some examples.
Okay, for example, the crops had destroyed before it rained. The second example can be the dinner had started when she reached there. In both examples, the first action was completed in the past before starting any other action.
Oh, I see. May I say an example DJ?
Yes, Rakesh, why not?
For example, the bell had rung before I reached the school.
Absolutely correct, Rakesh. Now let us see the structure of these tense. And it is subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. Keep in mind, Rakesh, some other adverbs like already, ever, just, never are used with the past perfect tense to emphasize the order of events.
For example DJ,
For example, the students had already completed the test when the bell rang. The bus had just left when they reached the bus stop. In the both sentences, the first actions were emphasized with already and just, which shows the order of the events. Now make your sentence.
I had already finished my tiffin when my friend called me. Am I right DJ?
Yes, you are right.
DJ, now tell me, how can we use past perfect tense with other types of sentences like negative, verbal question and WH question?
Okay, now listen carefully. For negative sentence, use not after the auxiliary verb had in past perfect tense. For example, I had not eaten at that restaurant before today. Second example can be, my friend hadn't had time to explain his side.
DJ, I am a little bit confused about the use of hadn't had or had had. Would you please explain it?
Now listen carefully, Rakesh. In my second sentence, I have used hadn't had. The first had is auxiliary verb and the second had is the third form of to have. Well, the first form of to have is have, second form is had and third form is also had. So according to the construction, which is subject plus auxiliary verb plus not plus V3 means third form of verb plus object, it is used. Now is it clear?
Yes DJ, I understood now. May I say an example?
Yes, carry on.
For example, my friend hadn't had enough money to spend on expensive things before his father became rich. Is it correct sentence, teacher?
Yes, you are absolutely correct, Rakesh. Very good.
Thanks, DJ.
Now let us see how can we make verbal question in this tense.
Okay, DJ.
For verbal question, you can use structure like auxiliary verb plus subject plus third form of verb question mark. For example, had you cleaned up your room by the time guest came home? And second example can be, had he ever spoken to the teacher before he was punished? Now tell me any example from your side.
For example, had he built his house before his retirement? How's it, DJ?
Superb. Excellent, Rakesh. Now let us have structure of WH word question. And it is WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus third form of verb question mark. For example, where had you gone before your lunch? Second example can be, where had he planned before his action?
May I say an example?
Yes.
For example, what had Mahesh thought before being captain of the class?
Outstanding. Outstanding, Rakesh. I think you have got everything about past perfect tense. Now go and write that you want to write in your notebook.
Thank you, DJ, for clearing all my doubts about past perfect tense. Have a nice day. See you.